You can't just read a book. You can't just read 1,000 articles. You would never get the answer. You have to go to these guys and interview them. And once you do, the whole thing explodes, because even the best 3 proofs don't work at all. Methane, water, carbon dioxide, these simple molecules do not form the necessary components of all living things: DNA, RNA, enzymes, and proteins. There is no evolution of the 7 animal groups despite all of these fossils. He studied more fossil birds than anyone in the world probably. And he says the idea that birds evolved from dinosaurs is a hype, a hoax, a fantasia, and unsubstantiated propaganda. And this is the best proof of evolution. But look at these current ape men, like this, Homo habilis. This is the best skeleton they have. Well, you could make that into a monkey, ape, or a human, whatever you wanted to decide it was going to be. Or this one, Orion, off limits and also very fragmentary. You could interpret this any way you want. Here's the list of the 237 overturned ape men, which speaks that this field is totally unreliable. Like this first one is Tetraprothoma argentinus. That was a raccoon leg bone. This next one, Hesperopithecus Harold Cook's eye. That was a pig tooth. The next one, Australopithecus prometheus. That was a dog leg, a cat hip bone, a cow or a bovid family skull mixed in with Australopithecine. Orsi man was a donkey skull. There's so many overturned ape men species that I had to break them up into categories just to keep them straight. You go into the museum and go to the human evolution section. Most, if not all, are either fraud-based fossils, fragmentary fossils, or inaccessible fossils. If that's the best proof, and it goes completely against all the evidence, we can't form the universe, we can't form life, we can't form the 7 animal phyla, we can't form the groups within a phyla, the mechanisms of evolution don't work. The 3 best proofs of evolution, walking whales was all made up, flying dinosaurs, you don't have the ancestors to the first bird, and ape men. If this is the best you got with the 150 frauds and 237 overturned ape men, inaccessible fossils, fragmentary fossils, then this theory has collapsed. If you agree that those 9 X's are justified, then evolution just collapsed right in front of us. And I kind of missed it. These things just kind of pop into my lap, and I didn't see it when I was filming it, but here it is.